Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Sheets add-on Flubaroo to grade your assignments quickly. So here I have a Google form that I created. I have the question, what is your name, as well as 4 other questions for students to answer. So far I have 4 responses. Now, if you haven't already on your Google form, this is the way that you would view responses in Sheets. I already clicked on it, so I'm just going to open my new window. Now here I have all of the results of the quiz so far, who's taken it, and the answers that they put. Down here, myself, I added an answer key, so I just typed it right into Google Sheets. I typed an answer key, and I typed in the correct answer for each question. This is what I'm going to use for Flubaroo to grade the answers correctly. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to add-ons. If you don't have Flubaroo already, you will need to download it onto your add-ons. Flubaroo. And now, if you're doing this for the first time, it's going to say grade assignment. I've already done it a couple of times just to try it out. So mine says regrade assignment. I'm going to click that. And now what it does is it's going to kind of guess what you would choose for each one. And you can, of course, make changes if you'd like to. So my first question, what is your name? It's asking identify student, and that is what I'm going to stick with as my grading option. The rest of these, it says normal grading and 1 point each. You can choose to change them to identify student, skip grading, normal grading, or grade by hand. I'm going to stick with normal grading for all of these, and I'm also going to stick with them being 1 point each. You can actually go all the way up to 10 points each if that's what you would like. I'm going to continue. Now what's really great about Flubaroo is it really walks you through each step. It's very difficult to mess up. So now here it shows the people who took the exam, and now I also put answer key. That's showing that as an option as well. I'm going to use answer key as my answer key. What you may do instead is you may decide to take the quiz, the form yourself, and then you'd select your own name as your answer key. So I created an answer sheet in my sheet, so I'm going to use that. Continue. Okay, so it says grading is complete. Flubaroo has so many other options, but this is just a basic tutorial of how to do the basics in Flubaroo. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. So now here is my original tab that says Student Submissions, and now it created a new tab called Grades. It has all of the people who took the exam, the total points they each got, the percentage they got correct, the times they submitted it, and then it has how many points they scored for each answer. As you can see, this is in orange. This is because only 50% of my students got this correct, so it's a low scoring question. So it put that in orange for me. Now, if I look here, it shows me a summary, the points possible, average points, counted submissions, and the number of low scoring questions, which is in the orange right here. Now, if you want to take Flubaroo to the next step, or if you need more assistance, go to the add-on tab, then go to Flubaroo, then go to help. Now what you can do from here is you can go to flubaroo.com to see more options, to see more tutorials, and also what's really neat is if you copy and paste this link into your browser, it's going to show you a demo Google Sheet, and you can try to grade that assignment on your with Flubaroo if you'd like, rather than creating a quiz and having all of your students take it or creating demo answers. You already have the sheet made up for you, and you can just practice using Flubaroo, which I thought was really cool. All right, so that is it for today. More to come.